Hey everybody, how's it going? So when you own an RV, like the one right behind me here, and you have a heavier cord, like a 30 amp or a 50 amp cord, you know when it's warm out, reeling those things up is no big deal at all. But when it's chilly out, you basically have a concrete rod that you're going to try to fit into a 5-gallon bucket or a bag or something like that. And it can really be challenging. So I picked up this guy right here. This is a power cord reel and it comes unassembled, so I got to put it together. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside the box, and we'll go from there. So right off the bat here on the back, it talks about the cord type, the maximum length. So a 50 amp cord, 50 feet, 40 amp, 75, 30 amp, 100 feet, and 15 amp or 12.3 is 200 feet. So I have a 50 amp cord, and I believe mine is right at about 50 feet. Might be, I think it's probably closer to 30. So again, you need to assemble this thing. So right off the bat, you see the assembly instructions here, and it's a big fold out. Check that out. That's kind of interesting. And it's all on one side, and there really are no written instructions in here. This is all just diagrams showing you what your next step is supposed to be. You've got a parts list here, you've got a finished product here, and basically you just kind of go through the whole thing here. There's also a thank you note. Thank you for selecting RVGUARD, blah, blah, blah. If you have any questions, contact them via Amazon account or via email. So got any questions, that's how you reach out to them. You've got bolts, washers, all sorts of different screws and fittings in there, and everything is labeled by the bag. So if you take something out of the bag, you got to set it by the bag or peel off the top of it, the sticker, and put it on the device itself so you know which is which. So we have all sorts of different pieces here. 2 different A-frames, 2 different reels, the handle itself, and then supporting cross members and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this thing together right now, and we'll see how quickly I can do this, and then we'll do the reel test. We'll see if this thing will actually reel up our 50 amp cord. Now, I may not do that today since our RV is still plugged in, but Friday for sure, because that's when we're leaving. So I'm going to just start putting this thing together, and I am, for posterity's sake and for time, I'm going to keep recording, but when I make this video, I'm just going to speed everything up. So pay attention, boys and girls. You just pull this out, flip it up, and it stays in place. And then when you're ready to crank things up, you crank them up. Now, as far as rolling up your 50-foot 50 amp cord, it looks like one end can just fit right inside of here, and you just crank it up using your other hand, your free hand, to go back and forth so that it's evenly dispersed between the both sides here. Now it comes with 4 screws so that you can anchor this to either the inside of your RV, or what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to anchor it to a piece of plywood slightly larger than this, and that way I can roll it up outside of my storage area and then just easily put it inside my storage area and keep it there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So there you have it. The power cord reel took me all of about maybe 20 minutes to put this thing together. That includes losing a screw down that hole down there. Pretty simple, really easy to follow directions, and everything comes labeled and prepackaged. Super simple. Good product so far. So we'll see how it performs when it comes time to rolling up this this power cord. So we'll go from there. Okay, we'll catch you later, everybody. Have yourselves a great day. Talk to you soon. Cheers, y'all.